close attention to the following announcement. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. We suggest that whenever you are in your seat, you keep your seatbelt fastened over any clothing or blankets, just in case we encounter any turbulence. Lying or sleeping on the floor is not allowed at any time. Smoking, vaping, use of e-cigarettes or similar products is prohibited whilst on board. This includes the lavatories which have smoke detectors in them. Please note that you're not allowed to charge these devices.
I can't see the picture.
Any alcoholic drinks supplied by the cabin crew during the bar service can be consumed on today's flight, and in moderation only, as the effects of alcohol increase with altitude. Any other alcoholic products not to be consumed on board. This means any alcohol purchased at duty free at the airport, duty free on board, must stay sealed until we get back to Birmingham. It also includes any alcohol you may have brought back from your holiday. Families that come on board are looking forward to taking you back to home. Please treat them and your fellow passengers with the courtesy and kindness you would expect in return. Thank you and enjoy your flight with us today. Smell